to Messe Köln. Nice and fancy everything here. Let's try to find the entrance. I decided to do like a evening, like late night stand tour, booth tour here at ORGATEC with the zgoll booth. So it's a little late now, but the party is still going on. So it may be a little bit noisy, but I hope it can be well understood what I'm saying. And therefore, let's just get started. So the stage obviously empty at the moment. These are some of the lamps I really like. We have the reception, which is coming up now on the right hand side, where there's usually a Lego card available, shows as a price. We have a kiosk where you can buy stuff, I guess. So very interesting, like coffee's a little expensive, but that's what fairs are. They are sometimes just a little bit expensive. Then I realized that we have a kitchen here, and this kitchen seems to be used to, I don't know, to watch movies or to work. So let me have show you this here. One of our devices shown here as well. So we have a nice DeskMini here. Then I think it's one of the highlights of the Michael, who is like driving a lot of innovation of this company here, zgoll, and he has a bicycle here, which I actually think needs to be locked, but it is just available for anyone to get on. So it's a very nice bike. It is in one of these stands, and you can be used to virtually race against other people. So quite cool in these regards. There we go. So that's the bicycle, which is standing, well, I wouldn't say it's standing in the kitchen, but well, it kind of is standing in the kitchen or in the living room. So you see, it's like very cozy setup here. Here we have a quite cool conference room with very nice lamps on top and like some acoustic elements, which I like a lot. Also here the whole room is kind of set up nicely. A very nice transparent screen, or semi-transparent, so you can see that it shows something on the screen itself, but you can actually see through the screen on the other side. And have another interesting device here. We have a BoardPro. Here we go. We have a RoomBar on top of the screen with all its features and functionalities. And when we have a look here, we have some nice furniture as well, which is acoustically helping a lot. So desktop is available, so we could log in, and when we have a look at it, it turns on the screen, and let's just give it a try. So scan the 2D codes, then it does some magic on the phone itself. There we go. It downloads first of all the messages, it shows that it is registering, and then the screen is showing it can be booked until 11 p.m. Oh wow, that's a long setup. It's logging in and it shows that I am actually registered here. Okay, we have, I like it like a phone booth basically, and they put in the DeskMinis as a reference. So let's have a look at the phone booth from a distance first. So these are these phone booths. I like the shape. They're like shaped as little houses, and when we go and have a look at them, we can see, okay, there's a little chair in there, and we have a DeskMini. It's getting a little late now, so we have our booth which is serving drinks tonight. So let's go and have a quick look what they have, what they serve, what kind of people are there, and then we take it from there. The last thing I wanted to show quickly, which is something where you can also like book your room. The room booking is happening here, but the room is, I don't know, just like a bath of balls, which is really cool. I think I just want to go in there. It was very cool. It was very cool. 1 day, 2 days here at the ORGATEC fair. I really enjoyed it, and it was great to make a lot of contact with people, to show them what we can offer, how we can make their lives easier. Video is in the people's minds, so that's all great, and that's, I think, how it should be. And yeah, let's see how it all helped. Have our fingers crossed, and thank you very much for watching, and looking forward to see you soon. Thank you. Bye bye.